Did you know that hiring managers are the hardest people to get the attention of? They are inundated with thousands of resumes, thousands of requests, thousands of applications, and there's you who's trying to get their attention and you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. My name's Milo. I'm the founder of How to Job, and I have helped thousands of job seekers come out of obscurity and being invisible and generate multiple opportunities. I have 15 years of experience in the headhunting space. I have advised companies on how to hire, and I've advised candidates on how to stick out from the crowd. And we want to learn about hiring managers, how to get their attention. I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how to do that. Now, the first thing is you can't connect randomly to hiring managers. They get inundated with messages or random requests or even in-mail messages. They do not work as well as they used to. And the majority of people are networking and recruiting or job seeking like it's 2015. Let's get with the times. It's 2026. Now, number one, what I want you to do is I want you to find companies that have meet the hiring team profiles. So when you're doing a job search, you can literally put your job title into the search bar of LinkedIn, scroll through the jobs, and once you find job opportunities that have meet the hiring team on them, those are profiles that are considered low-hanging fruit. These people expect a message, so they're going to reach back out to you if you connect to them. Now, when you connect to their profile, rather than sending a random email message or sending them a message on LinkedIn, I want you to send them an ad note. An ad note is 300 characters as a message. You can get their attention, and your only goal right now is to get a connection. Now, once you have a connection, you want to ask a question. A question should be nice and easy to answer. Nothing like, hey, any jobs? Don't do that. And don't ask them what the day-to-day is like. They're sick of it. What you want to ask is you want to ask a question that's easy to answer. So, for example, when it comes to hiring applicants for this role, do you focus on soft skills or company culture fit? Something that gives them something easy to answer. So, yes or no, one or the other, get some form of engagement. Once you get the engagement, you want to ask for a meeting as you apply. So make sure you apply for the job and then request a meeting. This brute forces your way in. And these people are actually going to respond to you in one of many ways, one of which could be, yes, let's do a meeting. Another one could be, no, I don't have time. And then you can let them know that you've applied. Now, what you do with this is you actually shine a spotlight on your application. And this is far better as a brute force. It's very easy to do this. It's not the highest quality way, by the way, but it's nice and easy, cheap and cheerful, and they will know you exist. Another strategy you can do is you can actually reach out to the head of HR of a company that has a live role. So you've seen a live role on LinkedIn and you've seen that that's a job you want to do. You've applied for it, which is great, but now you want to get to the real work, which is getting the attention of a hiring manager. So the head of HR, you find them, you reach out to them in the same way you would have for the hiring manager, but your ad note is going to be even simpler. Hi name, I can see you're the head of HR, would be great to connect. Now, 30% of the time, these people are actually going to accept. They accept, you then send a step two message, which is a question, very similar to the hiring manager one, which is, hey, when it comes to hiring people for job title, do you focus on this or that? Soft skills, company culture, personality traits, AI nativeness, whatever you can come up with, as long as it's easy to answer. Now you get a response. They give you an answer to your question. They might even ask why you're asking. Then you literally tell them you've made an application, but you want to get in front of the hiring manager. Now the head of HR is the hiring manager's boss. And if you get a recommendation from a head of HR for the hiring manager, or you even get a name, you can then use that as an add note feature to let the hiring manager know that the head of HR has recommended you. Now, those are two very quick and easy strategies that you can deploy today. If you need more help with these strategies, you want to customize them further and actually get better at this, link in the description, book a call with me and my team, and we'll structure your approach. I'll see you on the next video.